Hey guys.
What's up, guys? I'm about to be going outside with my friend Jackson. Go subscribe to him. It's The Awesome Pug.
Yeah.
Starts with a Z. He's commented on my first video before, which is really stupid. So we'll be right back, and I'll see you guys then. Okay, so we're back. I got my lucky hat on, and we're just gonna do random stuff outside. Are you sure you're gonna be okay playing with sandals?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna get my shoes on.
If worst comes to worst, then I can just take them off.
Okay. Okay, I'll be right back, and after this clip, I'll be outside. So guys, we're just gonna be playing some basketball. We're just gonna play like a game or two, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we'll use this ball. You're ready. Start. No, you're starting off the ball. You told me to bounce it, and that's what I did. No, we should get a little farther than that. Let's go over here. I'm sorry, but he does not know how to play basketball. You made it. Can't move, you can't move. You pivot. Shoot! Ah, darn it. Oh, I'm not good at moves playing basketball. It's such a clickbait. Moves basketball. What are you doing? It's your ball. I made it. Okay, you can't move now because you stopped. Learn the concepts of basketball. Darn it. Into the bush it goes. Nice. Board is nothing. Check. Eight. You have to keep at the nose, travel. But you can shoot it now. Darn it! It's not going to. 6-0. 6-0. Check. Right. Out of bounds. Check. Get closer to the hoop before you stop. Gosh, I'm such a noob. Me too. Title: Noobs Playing Basketball. Exactly. It's such a clickbait. Get over here. Also, this is gonna be like an all-night video. Yeah. All night meaning like 20 minutes. That was round 1, guys. Okay, guys, we're back for round 2. 6-0.
Let's do this. Check. Wait. First to how many wins?
First to 20 points. 6-0. This is such bad quality. Look at the camera. Such bad quality. You know a couple dirty tricks. 8-0.
It's 8-0, you YouTube watchers.
8-0. Probably only 10 people are going to be watching this in the next month. I get like 10 views per month. Grabbing me everywhere. Oh, he knocked it in! Woo! He knocked it in!
So guys, this is going to be final test. I can't even make it when I'm right in front of the food. We suck so bad. Clickbait. Okay. Go get it.
What's your little floppy stand?
Is it my ball still?
It's your ball stand.
Finally!
2-8.
2-8. How about we'll do the checks here so that you
No, back there because it's too close.
Wow, that suck.
Oh!
You keep the sticker on this?
Yeah. Very special.
Check it.
Alright. 10-2. We're halfway there, kids.
Kids or adults, however old you are.
Mostly teens and kids. Oh, we're going now? Oh, shoot. No? Got it!
Oh, God. Pass it to. Our hands are going to be so
I know. Have you seen the ball?
Score checkup.
Everyone. 12-2.
I actually win.
Fudge brownies.
I can't catch anything. I can't catch anything.
Okay.
Ah! Ah!
This is gonna be first hit ever. Oh, I did it.
Okay, we lost the ball.
You lost it?
Find it.
It's under there.
It's under the car.
Grab it.
That's one advantage to doing this game.
One advantage.
Foul. That's a foul. Two free shots, nerds. Yes, I call my fans nerds. One shot made. What are you gonna say in the subscribe part? Join the Nerd Nation. Join the Nerd Nation. Join the DZ clan. Join the DZ. I'm at 4. I'm 14.
Guys, I did a little tiny. I did a little
16 to 8. I mean 16 to 2. I just make that?
Yeah, I did. I like to make that when I was backward.
It looks like Elijah is better at basketball than we are.
Look, I can't even make a lap.
You couldn't make the shot.
I think it's because he's in finals.
Yeah, it's a shoot it.
Wow,
That sucks nuts.
such a foul. Whoa.
Yes, you're right. Huge foul.
They didn't even
18 to 2. This is. They can barely even see this. This is the final play, peoples. The final play. Final play. This is my. This is the final play. This is the final play of the Dub Nation.
And we didn't even
Team
do it.
Mystic. Team
We didn't do
Mystic.
that
Team
game. We
Mystic.
didn't do
He's-
that.
No, he's Team Valor.
We
No, I'm
didn't
not
do
Team
that
Mystic.
good.
I will show you that I am on Team Mystic.
I will show
Check.
you the world. Slow motion.
My shot is at your ball.
I did it. Slow motion.
Make your shot. Nice. Nice. Out of bounds on you. Yeah. Whatever.
Okay. What?
I give up. I give up because you're at 18 anyways. Yeah, what's the point?
Yeah, that's too hard.
I can't even make this last shot.
It's way too
Try
hard.
dunking. Just try.
I can't.
Try to. Yep, that's 20. That's 20
That's
points.
20.
I whooped him 20 to 2.
That's 20 points. Easy.